We often think of gravity as a force that pulls us toward ground. But in the world of Albert Einstein, it's very different. It's much deeper. The general theory of relativity tells us that anything which has mass, like a planet or even stars, they warp the fabric of space and time. And we simply follow those curves. It's beautiful, it's awe-inspiring, it's thought-provoking how these cosmos work. But there is one point where all of these theories, everything just falls apart and we hit a wall. I'm talking about the black hole. To simply put it, a black hole is where lots of matter is packed into a tiny space where even its own gravity becomes inescapable. Think of a massive star, millions of times larger than our own sun, running out of fuel. Without the outward pressure of its nuclear fusion to hold it up, it starts to collapse under its own weight. It shrinks and it shrinks. It keeps collapsing until all that mass shrinks to a size of almost zero volume. At that point, the gravitational force becomes so intense that not even the light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape. Anything or everything that crosses that point of no return or the event horizon is trapped forever. So why does this matter? And why do we say that the theory of relativity fails at the point of singularity? Well, the problem is that at the point of singularity, the mass, it becomes infinite. Anything which has to do with infinity, anything which is infinite in the world of science is a red flag. It's a sign that our mathematical model is incomplete. General relativity is a theory of the movement of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. But it fails when it comes to black hole because in a black hole, all the matter is packed, squeezed into something even smaller than an atom. So the theory of general relativity fails there. At this quantum level, we cannot use the general theory of relativity anymore. At such smaller quantum levels, the theory of general relativity simply fails. It gives us nonsensical results, effectively telling us that the laws of physics as we know them simply won't apply. So what happens at the point of singularity? Does the space and time cease to exist? We don't know yet. The fact that our best theory, which explains us what's actually happening in the universe, simply gives us an error message when we try to look inside the black hole, which simply tells us that there are so many things in the universe that we are still to understand. For now, we are waiting for a new theory which will be able to merge these larger celestial objects with the quantum level objects in the universe, the theory of everything. So this is it. This was our today's video. If you like this content, don't forget to like and share. And also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is FARAN BHATTI. You're watching FARAN BHATTI official YouTube channel. And always stay inquisitive.